one's all yours, brother.
Adler, you took your time.
It's over.
12, 19, 14.
Don't waste your breath.
I figured. It was worth a try. My work was finished before your little act of rebellion. This changes nothing.
Tell me where Perseus is.
You'll never understand. Perseus was never one man. It's an ideal. Bigger than any of us.
Spare me your for shit. Where the fuck is Perseus?
Right here. Cancer took him in '83. A great man with great vision. He was not the first Perseus, just as I will not be the last.
There's blood on your hands.
Big words from the scourge of Verdansk.
Fuck you. I wasn't in my right mind. You saw it there.
You Westerners, so squeamish. Look at where we are. This was the Eastern Front. The blood of millions of my people so deep into the soil. Men and women who paid the ultimate price for what had to be done.
Fucking monster. I should kill you for what you've done.